How do you scale an animated GIF image in PIL and preserve the animation? I'm wondering if it's possible to scale an animated GIF image using PIL. In particular, Plone's archetypes image field currently loses the animation from images scaled using its scale method. I know how to identify an animated GIF. The following evaluates to true image.format equals GIF and image.seek image.tel +1. I've tried not converting to RAW mode, but that doesn't work. Background: on our Plone instance, we've modified the default image type to set the original _size attribute of its image field to force all images to scaled with an appropriate quality setting. This works great for JPEGs but means we currently can't upload animated GIFs.
PIL has got some limited support for animated GIFs, but it is, as said, limited, and you have to work in very low level to deal with it. I'd advise trying some other method for scaling images than PIL if you want to deal with animated GIFs. Possibly, the most straightforward way is to use an off-process image magic with subprocess.token, and even then, at this time, I am only guessing image magic does the right thing with animated GIFs. An option is to have an image processing server, with another Python script, apart from your Zope install, that will receive requests to scale the images, possibly with a XML-RPC call. You could build this as a GIMP plugin and use GIMP for scaling the GIFs. Another option is to leave things as they are, and use stills for animated GIFs where they need to appear in another dimension than the original, and display the original image where the animation is appropriate. Or maybe simply require that animated GIFs be submitted already on the proper size.
You can use images to-gif.py to read GIFs and then scale each frame independently. Images to-gif will allow you to write an animated GIF with a sequence of images. The images to-gif.py I found on the internet didn't handle transparency, so I fixed that. You can find that here. This URL. PIL's fork supports animated GIF since version 3.0.0 when PR number 1384 was merged.